Okay, I just got my neckwear vacuum cleaner from Amazon. It's a cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Ooh, neckwear. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Oh, those are instructions. That's pretty cool. This is a stick. You see the attachment for the car. Oh, mounting screws. This must be the head for the vacuum itself. The roller brush. Oh, this must be for the carpet. So it comes with a carpet brush and a hardwood floor brush. Crevice. This must be the collector bin. Pretty cool. Charging base. And the other accessory. And of course, directions. Not bad. It's pretty lightweight too. It came in a nice, neat box. All put together. Look at that.